Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Kydex. So what I am doing today is I'm building a tech lock sheath for one of my knives. The customer did want to have a vest knife. So if you put this on your tactical vest, it is made by Tech Lock. All right, it does have a Tech Lock on there, and it is button snapped, which makes it a lot easier. But I'm going to show you how I make this, so stick around to the end. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is the V2 with a tech lock. Now, if you're not familiar, the V2 is a very small, handy, probably about a 2.5, 3-inch carbon steel blade. It is cord wrapped. You have different options if you want to go up to 3 River blades to check out the blades. But ideally what I was doing was I was making sure that the tech lock device is now attached. And the way this works is if you wanted to set this up for your vest, all right, it comes out like that, and then you weave it in, and then it has this nice little snap at the end. It has this nice little snap at the end where if you just push those in, it'll snap into place. All right, and the customer did want flat dark earth. Obviously, I'll assume that he has a vest that is in flat dark earth. So flat dark earth handle and cord wrap, gun blue because I don't want it to rust. Very sharp little scalpel-esque type knife, small little survival knife. I do sell these in different types of formats, so if you don't want this, you can get a belt or a neck lanyard as well. So I hope you guys appreciated that video. Please like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really helps the algorithms. Also, check out all the stuff I have on all my other channels: 3 River Blades, 3 River Kydex, 3 River Books, and 3 River Survival. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, guys, keep grinding.